Here in this example, we need to find out which employee is drawing the maximum salary. Now in this particular table, this is our source data. So in this table, the values in the first column are unique. So we can take this particular salary field or the salary column as a key field to find out which employee is actually getting the maximum salary. So whenever we extract the data from a table, we can use vertical lookup or VLOOKUP function. Vertically lookup. Which value should I search from the source data is whoever I should search based on the maximum salary. I'll be using max function, max of this list. So the system will pick up the maximum salary from that list, which is 36,000 change. Okay, I should search that one. In which table? So in this table we need to search that particular data, and then we need to retrieve the employee name. Employee name is in the second column of our source data, and I want the exact match. So here what we are trying to extract is the maximum salary, okay, and the respective employee. So here the output should be RAM. I'll press enter. Yes. If I change the values here, so here this I'll change this one to 40,000. So we are getting the right output now. I'll change this to 50,000. Yes. We are trying to find out the maximum salary in this range, in this table, and we are trying to retrieve the second column value. Okay, so we can easily find out the employee who is drawing the maximum salary using VLOOKUP function. Now here if we observe, the salary field is in the first column, so we consider this as a key column. In VLOOKUP, key column should be always the first column, but here it is not the same. The key column is the second column here in this table. Now using VLOOKUP, I cannot get the values from the left side of the key column. So here I will be using a function to pick up a value. We can as well use index, wherein we have to give the row number and the column number. I'll write here index. So this is our array. So in this particular list, I want to pick up the name of the employee. Here, name of the employee who is taking the maximum salary. Okay, so I have to now give the row number. The row number depends on the maximum salary. Row number depends on this maximum salary. So I will use the match function to find out. Lookup value is the maximum salary. I'll use maximum of this list. Okay, so I would like to match this maximum salary in this list now. I'm trying to find out the row number in this list again, and I want the exact match. So this match function should give me 1, 2, 3, 3 as output. The row number should be 3. Okay, now I need to give the column number. Obviously, I am trying to find the values from the first column itself. I'll simply type 1 here. If I press enter, yes, I am getting the right output. I'll try to change the values here. Yes. 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 Here, what we are doing is, we are using index to pick up a value which is to the left side of the key column. And in index, we have to give the row number and column number. In our example, we can get the row number based on the maximum salary. So if we execute this second parameter of the index, if I press F9, yes, I am getting the row number. Okay. Similarly, when I change the values here, I'll simply change it. Now the maximum is this one. So here if I execute the second parameter, I should get the row number as 4. I'm asking the system, where is this maximum value in this list? First, second, third, fourth position. So if I press F9, yes, I'm getting the output. Enter.